Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make a few trades on the Quotex broker using psychological tips about candlesticks. Stay with me. Well, as I mentioned at the start of the video, following our usual routine, we want to review the points previously taught on the channel and make some trades on the Quotex broker chart today. Before that, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it and send it to your friends. The registration link for this platform is available in the description section under all the channel's video. Click on the link to receive a $10,000 demo account along with a 50% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Now, let's move on to today's exciting video. Well, we are on the USD to JPY currency pair in the main market. The major and minor trends are up. But don't forget that in binary options, because we trade in low time frames, especially in the 1 minute time frame, the minor trends are more important for us. Here we have a minor trend. First of all, I have to draw my levels. I find and draw important levels. Okay. A side trend, a dangerous range. In side trends, you have to be very careful because buyers and sellers are indecisive and the possibility of you losing in these trends is very high. Try to trade usually in charts with an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay? If you look, here we have a bad market because our chart consists of candles with large shadows and small dimensions, which shows the war between buyers and sellers and their indecision. We can wait for the candles to cross this range and then, in order to enter the trade with the minor trend, because on this side of the chart, we have a momentum trend. So it is possible that a momentum trend will be formed again in the opposite direction of the previous trend here. But if our trend is broken in this range, and if it crosses the last level, a new upward trend will probably be formed. You can see how volatile the chart is. I entered the higher trade. As you can see, we have a new high, and you can see the pressure of buyers from this level. If you look here, it is the range of buyers and the possibility of continuing upward movement towards there is above. This level has already been broken by this candle and its shadow. We are waiting for the trade to close. Okay? Okay. Due to the formation of a large candle, there is a possibility of a fake breakout. That's why I entered lower trade. You can see big candle, breakout, downward gap between candles. That's why I entered the lower trade. But since we are in a very volatile chart, there is a possibility that the upward trend will continue. As you can see here, we have a bullish momentum, a powerful trend of green candles. A new high, gap and distance until the next level. That's why I entered the higher trade. If you look here, we have a trend line and an important level. There have been reversals and corrections from these points in the past. That's why I entered the lower trade. Very good. But in this position, on the one hand, due to the formation of the 7 candlestick pattern, there is a possibility of continuing the upward trend. But on the other hand, due to the formation of a bearish engulfing pattern and a power candle, there is a possibility of the continuation of the downward trend. If the trade is made, there was a 50% chance of success. Well, I entered the lower trade due to the formation of a momentum trend on the left side and the repetition of this trend on the right side. That is, the candlesticks imitate their own past behavior. This side of us has also formed a momentum trend for us. In the next part of the psychology of candles, regarding reverse momentum trends, I will explain how these trends are formed and how far they will continue to move. As you can see, our momentum trend started from here and continued to move until here. So the candles, after the reversal from the momentum trend, they will probably return to the previous level. We're waiting to enter the trade with margin of safety and creating a safe zone, but we did not find the right opportunity and the candle moved down. You can see that the reversal happened from this place, the trend line, the buyer's range, the meeting point, and the reversal from the trend line. This is where the reversal happened, like what the candles did to this line in the past. I entered the lower trade. The distance and the gap of the candle to the level, the formation of a new low, the downward minor trend, the repetition of the previous pattern. We can see the pressure of sellers of this candle and these candles. For this reason, the chart is likely to continue its downward path. The buyers didn't low it. I made 2 higher trades. The candles should have moved down, but since the buyers had power on this level, it caused the candle to go up, and this candle covered the previous candles. So that means the power in this area is in the hands of the buyers. So I entered 2 higher trades to compensate for the previous trade. Okay? The chart is very volatile and very exciting. Be careful not to trade in bad markets. See now the candles continued their path. Dear ones, see here, a bullish momentum was formed in relation to this trend line, and a bullish momentum trend is forming again from this trend line. But in a bad market, due to the high fluctuations of the candles, no matter how correct your analysis is, your trades may not be closed in profit. Okay? As you can see, a momentum trend, the formation of a candle in the middle of the trend, a new high, the distance to the next powerful level. For this reason, there is a possibility of the continuation of the upward trend. No matter, it's okay. I already explained the reason. Never stress about losing a trade. Let me open a calmer chart. If you look, in the past, our chart has moved in this upward trend and between these two support and resistance. That's why the candles will probably return to this range again. Look here, 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 and the candles are moving down again inside this channel. To follow the direction of the candlesticks, I entered the lower trade. Okay. As you can see, a bullish momentum trend like before, a momentum trend reformation, a momentum trend again, and this time it is possible that a new momentum trend will form like before. This level is also an important level for us, the range of buyers. And due to the multiple formation of the momentum trend and the movement of the candles in a channel, and from the side of the buyer's pressure, I entered the higher trade. Okay? I have identified the next level, the continuation of the upward movement towards the trend line and the seller's range. You can see a bullish momentum trend, distance and gap to the trend line and the next level, and mimicking the past behavior of candles. That's why I entered the higher trade. As you can see, it moved up. It's okay, because of the fast momentum and the fast movement of the candles, my position starts lower than my trade position. I also entered the lower trade due to the formation of the trendline pattern. Okay? Dear ones, I have explained the trendline pattern in one of the sections on the psychology of candles completely, how to find this pattern and trade using it. Again, as in the past chart, due to the pressure of buyers from this level and the creation of an engulfing pattern in the direction of the trend, the gap to the trend line and the next level, I entered the higher trade. Okay? Pay attention that in the floating time trade, your position will be closed on the open price of the next candle. That is, as soon as the beginning of the next candle is formed, your position will be closed, and after that, whatever direction the candle moves, it doesn't matter anymore. So, learn the floating time trade and separate it from the fixed time. In the psychology of candles and candlestick patterns in binary options, we trade in floating time. Again, in the direction of the upward minor trend, and on the level of the buyers, I entered the higher trade, like the candles in the past. Due to the existence of the upward minor trend and receiving pressure and rejection from the buyer's level, I entered the higher trade. Okay? Okay, my dears, if this video was useful for you, I would appreciate it if you like the video and support the channel. My friends and dear ones, be careful not to trade in bad market and volatility charts. As I said before, no matter how much your strategy, your analysis and your knowledge are strong, you can't get enough results in bad market. And this may cause you disappointment and discouragement. Remember to work hard hard. Have practice and capital management. Don't take risks without having enough experience and practice. And don't forget that the key to success in this market is practice, effort, and follow-up. Remember that you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.